What's up everybody, welcome to the Side Hustler channel. This is a brand new channel which we created specifically to teach our aspiring internet entrepreneurs a few things we learned, as well as learning and trying a few things ourselves. This video is part 4 of this series. Be sure to subscribe to the channel to ensure you see all the videos. Also, go back and check out the previous videos. In this video, we are going to dig into text-to-speech, and as you may have noticed, this whole series has been built using text-to-speech. We are going to check out 3 options we have come across. There are others, but these are the 3 we found easy and practically quick to get into. First we try, Invidio's inbuilt text-to-speech. Second we try, Natural Reader text-to-speech. Third we try, Amazon Polly. We know there are others like IBM Watson, etc., but these are the 3 we decided to try out. I have one last thing to say here about using text-to-speech. If you are like us, when you start out, and have social anxieties, that get in your way of exploding into the likes of YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, etc., then this may work for you, but as we have discovered, and you will too if you try to make videos using text-to-speech. The process is long and hard, because you have to type out entire scripts. Imagine the length of the script we had to type for this video series. It is quite a lengthy typing exercise, and then you have to match it up with your video. Our personal advice, if you are doing short videos which require speech, using text-to-speech is a great solution. However, making long instructional videos like these become a crazy bottleneck, and is likely to deter you from growing. Choose wisely, and you shall get there. The script. For the video we want to publish to our channel, we have opted for a 5-minute breathing meditation. Thus we have done our research, and drafted a basic 5-minute breathing meditation script. This is the script we are going to use in the text-to-speech to find which of these text-to-speech engines gives us the best natural feel. Just a few small edits to the script to make it flow better. Right, I think we have a workable script now. Let's get into the 3 text-to-speech engines, and pop out some results. We start with Invideo, which even in the free version offers the text-to-speech option. This is great for 2 reasons. 1. You can use the text-to-speech in the free videos. 2. You can use the text-to-speech in a blank video, and build an entire audio file which you could extract and use in other videos. We can either do the text-to-speech, one line at a time, or process a whole batch of statements at once. Let's start with a few individual statements. We click the Add VO option just above the timeline, and select text-to-speech. This will open the text-to-speech option on the right of the preview, in the Properties section. We grab the first line from the script and paste it into the text box. Now here we can select the voice language, of which we will select US English. Now we can select the voice based on the language we chose. We will try the first one, Sally, and click on the Generate VO. Once the audio is generated, we can listen to it to be sure this is what we wanted. Let's listen to Sally.
Mindfulness of breath.
Sally sounds perfect. We will add Sally to the timeline. Once on the timeline, you have a few basic options to choose from. Additionally, in the Properties section, you can manage the voice volume, as well as the background music volume.
Mindfulness of breath.
It works quite well. The speed of the text may be a bit fast. We can now continue with the next lines in the script. We will speed up this section a bit, as we try a few adjustments to find the best voice-over background combinations. Now, we will try and process multiple lines of text, and split them up in the editor.
Whether you're sitting or standing, find a comfortable position. You may choose to close.
The speech is, however, too fast for the intended use. You can't have a meditation video, and the instructor rushing through the words. That is counterproductive to the purpose. We have checked the help documents, and there seems to be no way to decrease the text-to-speech speed in Invideo. Okay, let's continue with what we have and space the text far enough to create a perceived pause. As you can see, in Invideo, when you select the audio in the timeline, it shows you the full audio above the timeline, with the subsection of the clipped part you have in the context. This is one part where Invideo has an advantage. The audio clipping feature in Invideo works quite well. Okay. I think we have seen enough, and we like the feature, but would like more flexibility in the speech speed, and pitch, and possibly ways to add intonation to certain parts. We can move on to our next engine. Natural Reader. Natural Reader has a Chrome plugin which can be installed and used at any point during your browsing experience. But it has 3 tiers: free, premium, and plus. The free tier is as robot sounding as they come, the 2 paid tiers are better. Let's listen to a few. We can test it directly in our script.
Mindfulness of breath. This is a 3-minute breathing exercise. To prepare for this
exercise, just take a few moments.
You may choose to close your eyes or keep them open. If you're feeling a bit tired, it may be useful.
The speed reduction option does not quite have the desired effect, but it is better.
It may be useful to let a little bit of light in to keep you alert. Begin by gently moving your attention to the process of breathing.
As you can see and hear, the voices are not too bad, and could work well. Additionally, looking across the 3 options, one can see similar voices, which leads one to the conclusion that Invideo and Natural Reader probably uses Amazon Polly.
Hi, I can read web pages or documents.
Hi, I can read web pages.
Hi, I can read web pages or
Hi, I can read web pages.
Hi, I can read web pages or documents for you.
Okay, that is enough for a short review. Let's move on to the next one. Amazon Polly. Okay, Amazon Polly is a paid-for product, but as with other Amazon products, there is a free tier, which allows you around 1 word's text-to-speech free, depending on if you use standard or neural. And as we have mentioned before, looking at the other 2, they both seem to make use of Amazon Polly, as well as others. Thus having access to the root source could be a better option. Amazon Polly SSML is highly configurable and all within the price range. If you have not guessed it yet, this is where this video series audio is from. So let's give it a try. We pasted the whole script for the breathing meditation into Polly. Polly offers a conversation-type speech pattern for the neural voices. Let us try that. We will try a female voice as they seem more common.
Short. Really feel what it is like to breathe without feeling the need to alter your breath. Just observing it as it happens. As you engage with this exercise, you may find that your mind wanders, caught by the thought of noises around the room.
But, it still seems a bit fast, so let's add a speed reduction element, and hear what that sounds like.
Mindfulness of breath. This is a 3-minute breathing exercise. To prepare for this exercise,
Good,
just
that sounds
take a few
better.
moments.
Let's try another
Whether you're
voice.
sitting-
Sally. Sally is not a neural voice, so we have to remove the conversation tag.
Either breathe deep, shallow, long, or short. Either breathe deep, shallow, long, or short. Really feel what it is like to breathe without feeling the need to alter your breath. Just observing it as it happens. As you engage with this exercise, you may find that your mind wanders, caught by the thought of noises around the room. When you notice that bodily sensations become clearer, know that this is okay and that our mind often wanders. Take notice of what has caught your mind's attention.
Sounds like Sally at 85% is the perfect voice for our future video. I will go ahead and save this to MP3. That's it for a quick view of Polly. Which of the 3 do you like best? Add a comment and tell us. Wow, we have reached the end of this video. Please leave a comment on this video and tell us what you think. If you feel that we may have missed something, please let us know, so we can add it to a future video. And finally, smash that like button, and be sure to subscribe to this channel, so you can watch the rest of the videos in this series. Catch you in the next video.